Welcome to a gentle Qi Gong movement session. We're going to begin by reaching our hands up and floating them down. Gently bend your knees. Breathe in deeply. Let it all out. Connect your breath with each movement. Just notice everything that's happening in your body today. Watch the mind wander off to worries about tomorrow, and just bring your attention here and now as we build incredible inner energy, vitality. It's going to carry us through our day. And let's really take an appreciation for the gift that our bodies are. Okay, let's just narrow our stance just a little bit. Bring your hands to your shoulder. Shift from side to side. Gentle twist. The geese are very active this morning. The mornings are a gift. These bodies are a gift. Oh, life is grand. We start to pay attention to the simplest of things. Okay. Now, float your hands up, back down, a gentle back bend, arms come back. Breathe in deeply, arms up, float them down, bend as deeply as you can, arms back as far as possible. Find the movement that works for you here and just flow. Reach up a little further back. Arms come up a little higher at the end here. Let's just hold it here for one moment. Just be. Just look to the ground. 1 second of just no mind. Come on up. Step to the inside. Bring your hands up and overhead. Slow and steady, but very dynamic. Side bend. Bring that hand behind your head. Conscious breath work. Feel it all the way from the base of your spine, all the way to the top of your head. Everything in between. Okay. Widen your stance a bit. Start to bring your knee up just a bit. Sink down. There we go. Now we're coming into our sumo. Sumo squat with a sunrise over top. Go as deeply as you can. Rise up as tall as possible. Gentle flow. And know that you're building and creating incredible strength each time you squat down. The mobility in the upper back, the shoulders. When you reach up to the sky, it's all happening. Connect to your breath. Continuing to build that present moment awareness. Be a slight back bend when you get to the top. Look up to the sky, helping with coordination, stability there. All together. Breathe in so deeply. Breathe in, breathe in. Suspend the breath for a moment. Just hold it. And exhale, let it all go. Breathe in. Suspend the breath. Let it all go. Last one here, all together. Breathe in so deeply. Hold it up top. Look to the sky. Exhale. Gently float the arms up. Tap one foot back at a time. Head up high. Pick a spot on the horizon. Give it all your visual attention. It's going to help with balance. When you float your arms up, feel from your shoulders all the way down your arms, right to your fingertips. Bend down as deeply as you like. Stand tall if that's what works for you. There's no right or wrong way. To move here. Widen the stance just a bit. We're going to shift from side to side. We're going to bring our knee up. Prayer. Bring that prayer towards your leg. Let's get a little bit more dynamic here. Feel that strength you possess. That inner Qi, vitality, energy, strength, just flowing through your body. Get that leg up nice and high. Feel it in the hip. Yeah, just a bit of pace here. Nice wide stance. We're going to side lunge, back and forth. Sweep, one arm up, the other down. Think of your inner kung fu master here. Really pull your arms apart. Hands. Put so much attention to the feeling throughout your entire body. And just flow here in a way that just exudes strength to you. Well done. Oh, let's just finish off today. Gently, just shift from side to side. Just come up off your heel. Stand tall. Just take the last few moments or so here to just feel everything that you've just done, that's happening in your body. Recognize, what a gift. What a gift it is to show up for yourself daily. What a gift these bodies are. What a gift each morning is. Just shift with this inner awareness. We continue to move the body, but still the mind for the next 30 seconds or so. Sorry. I hope you feel as grand as I do. I got completely lost and just, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much for being here. Again, truly, you make this space incredible just by being yourself. You are enough. Let's move through our day honoring the gift of these bodies, with honoring the gift of each breath, each step. I look forward to doing this again tomorrow. Goodbye.